Imagine Earth over 400 million years ago, a barren alien landscape with only the smallest plants clinging to the edges of wetlands. No forests, no insects, no animals as we know them, just strange, towering forms dominating the land. These were not trees or animals, but something entirely different: Prototaxites. Their fossils, hidden deep in ancient rock, hint at a lost chapter in life's story, one that challenges everything we thought we knew about the kingdoms of life. The Earth's history is vast, and its secrets are hard-won, revealed only to those who dig deep and question the familiar. Prototaxites invites us to rethink the boundaries of life, reminding us that the survivors we see today are just a fraction of nature's experiments. This is the story of a forgotten giant and the mystery it left behind. The mystery of Prototaxites began in 1859, when the renowned geologist John William Dawson stumbled upon massive fossil trunks embedded deep within ancient Devonian rocks. These strange, petrified columns were unlike anything seen before, sparking immediate curiosity and debate among scientists of the era. These fossils, some stretching over 8 meters into the prehistoric sky, absolutely dwarfed the knee-high plants that grew around them. In a world dominated by small, simple vegetation, these towering structures must have seemed like giants from another world, casting long shadows over the primeval landscape. At first, Dawson believed he had found the remains of primitive trees, and he named them Prototaxites, meaning first yew. The name reflected his belief that these fossils represented some of the earliest tree-like life forms to ever exist on Earth. But as more and more fossils surfaced from sites across the globe, scientists noticed something odd. There was no evidence of woody tissue, no rings or bark, just a dense, intricate tangle of microscopic tubes, unlike anything found in known plants or trees. Prototaxites didn't fit any known category. It wasn't a plant, nor did it resemble any animal. Its structure was so bizarre that it seemed to defy the very rules of biology, leaving experts baffled and divided. Imagine a landscape millions of years ago, punctuated by these silent towering pillars, alien and out of place, rising above a carpet of low, primitive plants. They would have dominated the scenery, mysterious and imposing, unlike anything alive today. For over 150 years, Prototaxites defied classification. Its true nature remained hidden in plain sight, eluding generations of paleontologists who tried to unlock its secrets. Each new discovery only deepened the puzzle. Fossils from different continents showed the same baffling features, challenging scientists to look beyond familiar frameworks and question what they thought they knew about life's early history. Prototaxites was a fossil that refused to be boxed in, a skyscraper among huts, a riddle that would not let go. Its presence forced researchers to reconsider the boundaries between plants, fungi, and other forms of life. The search for answers would push science to its limits, inspiring new techniques, fresh perspectives, and a relentless quest to solve one of Earth's oldest and most fascinating mysteries. As the plant theory faltered, scientists considered a new idea. Could Prototaxites be a giant fungus? Its internal tubes resembled fungal hyphae, and in 2007, a study proposed it was a colossal decomposer, recycling nutrients in a barren world. The image of an 8-meter-tall mushroom captured imaginations, but doubts remained. Could a fungus really grow so tall without collapsing? Some suggested it was a lichen, or even a rolled-up mat of liverworts, but none of these fit perfectly. Each theory had strengths and flaws, and the debate raged on. Prototaxites looked like a plant, acted like a fungus, but matched neither. Its fossil evidence contradicted every neat category. The mystery wasn't a failure of science. It was science in action, forcing new questions and creative thinking. Prototaxites became the ultimate test of our ability to understand life's diversity. The breakthrough came from the Rhynie Chert, a 407-million-year-old Scottish deposit preserving life in microscopic detail. This remarkable geological formation has been a treasure trove for paleontologists, offering a window into the distant past. The Rhynie Chert is unique because it captures the fine details of ancient organisms, allowing scientists to study them as if they were frozen in time. Here, scientists found Prototaxites taiti, smaller but exquisitely preserved, allowing unprecedented analysis. This discovery was crucial because it provided a well-preserved specimen that could be studied in great detail, revealing new insights into its structure and composition. The Chert's unique preservation let researchers compare Prototaxites directly with ancient plants and fungi fossilized alongside it. This comparative analysis was essential in understanding the evolutionary relationships and ecological roles of these ancient organisms. In 2025, a team from the University of Edinburgh used these fossils to test the plant and fungus theories at the chemical level. They employed advanced techniques to analyze the molecular composition of the fossils, seeking definitive evidence to resolve the long-standing debate. If Prototaxites was a fungus, its chemistry would match the Chert's fungi. If a plant, it would resemble the primitive flora. This chemical fingerprinting was a groundbreaking approach, providing a new way to classify ancient life forms. The Rhynie Chert became a Rosetta Stone, offering a side-by-side look at life's earliest land experiments. It allowed scientists to decode the past and understand the early evolution of terrestrial ecosystems. This was the definitive test, not just structure, but the very molecules of life. The molecular analysis provided a deeper understanding of the biological makeup of Prototaxites, offering clues about its true nature. The stage was set for Prototaxites to finally reveal its true identity. The anticipation was palpable as researchers prepared to unveil their findings. What the scientists found would upend everything. The results were unexpected and challenged existing theories about the nature of Prototaxites. The answer was more surprising than anyone expected. The true identity of Prototaxites was finally revealed, changing our understanding of ancient life forever. The 2025 study began by searching for chitin, the hallmark of fungi, in Prototaxites tissues. Chitin is a tough, fibrous substance that forms the cell walls of true fungi, and its presence or absence would be a crucial clue in solving the mystery of Prototaxites' identity. Researchers meticulously prepared thin slices of fossilized material, peering through powerful microscopes and using advanced chemical stains to detect even the faintest traces of chitin. While chitin was present in the Chert's true fungi, Prototaxites had none, eliminating the fungus theory. This was a pivotal moment as it forced scientists to reconsider decades of assumptions and look beyond the obvious. Next, they looked for lignin, the key to plant strength. Lignin is what gives trees and other plants their rigidity, allowing them to stand tall and resist decay. If Prototaxites contained lignin, it might have been an ancient plant towering over the landscape. Prototaxites had similar compounds, but not true lignin. The chemical signatures were close, but not a perfect match, leaving researchers puzzled and intrigued. Its chemistry was unique, neither plant nor fungus. The fossil's molecular makeup didn't fit into any known category, hinting at a lost branch of life. Anatomically, its tubes formed a complex, interconnected web, unlike any known fungus or plant. These networks suggested a sophisticated internal structure, possibly for transporting nutrients or water. This anastomosis pattern was a new solution to building a large body on land. It was a biological innovation, allowing Prototaxites to reach impressive sizes in a world before trees. Every test failed to place Prototaxites in a known kingdom. The more scientists learned, the more the mystery deepened, as if the fossil was deliberately defying classification. It was a biological outlier, a maverick with its own rules. Prototaxites stood apart from everything else in the fossil record, challenging our understanding of life's early evolution. The evidence pointed to something extraordinary. Prototaxites was not a plant, not a fungus, but something else entirely. It hinted at a forgotten experiment in evolution, a lineage that left no modern descendants. The mystery had only deepened. Each answer led to new questions, and the enigma of Prototaxites grew ever more compelling. Instead of fitting into a box, Prototaxites broke the mold. It forced scientists to rethink what was possible in Earth's distant past. It was a life form unlike any other, lost to time. Its story, written in stone, remains one of the greatest puzzles in paleontology. The search for its identity had uncovered a new, profound question. What other secrets might Earth's ancient rocks still be hiding, waiting for us to decode their chemical clues? The 2025 findings forced a radical conclusion. Prototaxites fits no known kingdom. It's not an animal, plant, or fungus. Its chemistry and structure are fundamentally different. Even the catch-all group of protists can't contain it. Scientists now propose Prototaxites represents a lost kingdom of multicellular life, a separate evolutionary experiment. For millions of years, it dominated the land, solving life's challenges in its own way. Its rise and fall show that nature's creativity extends far beyond what survives today. The tree of life is incomplete. We've been missing a major branch. Prototaxites thrived, diversified, and vanished, leaving only enigmatic fossils. Its story is a humbling reminder of how much we have yet to discover. An entire kingdom can rise, flourish, and disappear, forgotten until a fossil tells its tale. Prototaxites is no longer just a puzzle. It's a ghost from a lost world. The idea of a fourth kingdom on land shakes the foundations of biology. For centuries, we recognized only plants, animals, and fungi as the main players. Prototaxites suggests there was another, with its own biology and history. It's like discovering a missing continent on the map of life. This revelation forces us to rewrite the story of Earth's early ecosystems. Prototaxites was a giant, silent ruler, shaping the land for millions of years. Its existence opens new questions. Where did it come from? Why did it vanish? Were there others like it? The discovery doesn't close a chapter. It opens a new library of mysteries. Prototaxites' journey from misidentified tree to lost kingdom shows the power of a single fossil. Careful study and new technology can transform our view of the past. The rock beneath us is a living archive, full of surprises. Even now, the puzzle isn't complete. Each answer leads to more questions. Prototaxites challenges our sense of certainty, reminding us that evolution is messy and experimental. Its extinction marks a turning point, when new life forms took over. By studying its fate, we learn about resilience, change, and the fragility of existence. The fossil is not just a relic, it's a living question, inspiring us to keep searching. The story of Prototaxites is a celebration of mystery and discovery. Even today, Earth holds secrets that can upend our understanding of life. Science thrives on questions, not just answers. Prototaxites reminds us that the unknown is not a failure, but an invitation. Each mystery is a frontier, pushing us to explore, imagine, and rethink. The greatest stories are still hidden in stone, waiting for curious minds. Let Prototaxites inspire us to keep questioning, keep searching, and embrace the wonder at the heart of science. The next great discovery may be just beneath our feet.